going to Hot Wing Cafe. Woo! And this is one of my favorite places to eat in LA because I'm an East Coast girl. I like sports. I like wings. Believe it or not, a lot of people don't know how to make wings properly. Just dry.
This place is perfect. Like, they cook it so good.
So good.
The mozzarella sticks are perfect. The buffalo, barbecue, whatever. The ranch is so good.
So me and Bash are excited for you guys to try it. You got your seatbelt on? First of all, seatbelt. Second of all, this is Joseph. That is Noah. This is my beautiful son, Sebastian. And that is my other gorgeous, amazing son, Slash. And we're gonna critique the restaurant, but I already love it. So I'm excited for Joe and everyone else to try it. With dipping in the ranch?
Can I eat?
That's their own ranch now. Not burning. These mozzarella sticks do look pretty fresh.
They're very fresh.
Not a huge cheese guy. Gosh. Next time we're eating at a vegan restaurant.
This is spicy.
Huh? That's not spicy. Hold on. I gotta make sure it's not too hot for you, baby. That's how they do in the mukbang. Don't choke on it. Chew it good, buddy. I said don't choke on it.
That's hilarious.
Oh, look. Josh got one too.
Fresh mozzarella sticks.
A mozzarella.
Yeah.
They're like, it's like buttery, the mozzarella sticks. They're like really...
Yeah, you can tell by the crust that it's just fresh. It doesn't look like it's gonna be dry or...
It doesn't look like it was like out of, I don't know.
Like they just went to the grocery store and got those like cheese things and then fried it.
Yeah.
Ew.
Oh, it's so good.
I'm done.
You done? Okay.
You're done.
I would do.
You want another one?
This is super bomb.
It was super bomb.
I could jump up with this.
I know, y'all. Don't play with it though. Bite it. Don't pull it. Just bite it.
I like pulling it.
Never be afraid when you're coming now.
Well, you go first, because I think your tolerance is I'm nervous.
I feel like it's normal.
Although we do like, we eat the same hot sauces and stuff.
Yeah. It's a hot wing.
That's the extra hot wing. That's the hottest they have, so. In the jalapeno ranch.
This extra hot. Oh my god. This tastes like regular buffalo.
For real? Let me get the plant. Alright.
I'm sorry.
Mommy, look.
It's not too hot.
Not
For
at
extra
all.
hot, like, it's not hot.
No. Oh yeah, me and Joe eat this on a Tuesday.
Mama.
This ain't nuts.
Mama.
I was a little intimidated by it, but I ordered the mild mixed with the lemon pepper. Because usually the mild is still like spicy. I prefer spicy food. I was a bit intimidated by the extra hot, but then Joseph got that, and it's not extra hot. It's really not. It's a tad bit more spicier than the mild, honestly. And I wasn't really blown away. Slash, he's not really a chicken boy. He likes his veggies, so he's tearing up the veggies. The veggies are very, very fresh. I will say that. They're very, extremely fresh. They're not serving you nothing brown or like old. Fries are fresh. You can tell the oil is, brand new. They probably change the oil every day. Guys, you like it? You like everything?
I like it.
You like it? Okay, good.
Get some more mozzarella sticks.
Yeah, I already ordered them. One thing I do love about this place is that they have jalapeno ranch, but a lot of hot wing places don't offer that. It's just like ranch or blue cheese. But the jalapeno ranch, it has little pieces of jalapeno in it. Fire. So all in all, it's really, really good. Make sure you guys check out Hot Wings Cafe. It's in LA. There's, I think, 2 or maybe 3 different locations. Not sure, but it's really, really good. I highly recommend it. All the boys love it, Joe.
It's great.
It is. It's really, really good. So make sure you check out Hot Wings Cafe. And thanks for coming with us.
Now we can really
They all